Automatic layer sorting helps you keep things organized for easier editing. Expand the Layers panel, and you can toggle this feature on and off using the Sorting button up here. You'll notice when I switch tools on the tool wheel that new layers appear on the Layers panel, and switching back and forth changes the active one accordingly. Automatic layering is on by default, but if you manually select or reorder your layers, it switches to manual, and you'll need to tap here to reactivate it. Some of the basic brushes share a common layer, and some of them have their own. This behavior can be controlled in the brush editor. Tap on an active tool to enter the brush menu. Currently, both the pen and the dotted pen share a common layer called pen. Let's say we want the dotted one to have its own layer. Tap on it to enter the brush editor. Then scroll down, and under Advanced Settings, you'll find Auto Layering. Tap the name and type in dotted pen. Now, whenever we draw on the canvas while automatic layer sorting is active, both pen tools will land on their own respective layers. Any brush can be assigned to its own layer, whether they're custom brushes created from scratch, imported brushes, or those bought from the brush market. Most custom and store-bought brushes use custom as the default layer name, meaning they all share a common layer. To change this, open the brush menu by tapping an already active brush, tap any brush to edit it, and scroll down to the bottom. There are other shared options available here, or you can create your own unique layer name. Note that when you edit a layer name in the Layers panel, it won't change the name of the brush preference, so it'll create a new layer according to the settings you used when you created it.